Hello everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video on something I have in my collection of stuff. These are ceramic wire nuts from the early 1900s. These are ceramic, non-conductive, made for 14 gauge wire. And again, these are ceramic, early 1900s. They're in the old knob and tube wiring that was going on in the houses. These are your modern day wire nuts. These are ideal 14 gauge tan wire nuts, and these are small speaker wire 16 gauge wire nuts for speaker and stuff like that, other small things. But these are the modern day equivalent to those today. Anyways, just thought I'd share that with you, everybody, what it was like in the early 1900s, 1930s, 40s. They were using ceramic wire nuts and electrical tape to make connections in the houses, and of course the knob and tube. Knob and tube was also ceramic devices that were used to pass wire through walls and to suspend the wire, keep it separate from each other so there was no grounding out and issues like that. Wire back then wasn't like how it is today, where we have plastic. They didn't have plastic back in the day. So again, ceramic wire nuts, modern day equivalent, the ideal tan 14 gauge wire nut. Hope that was something new that you guys didn't know and learned. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm out of here, yo. Just thought I'd share that with you. Peace.